Travailler.
means to work. In this video, we will learn the verb to work in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I work.
Je travaille.
You work.
Informal way.
Tu travailles.
He works. Masculine.
Il travaille.
She works.
Feminine.
Elle travaille.
We work or one works. Informal way.
On travaille.
We work. Formal way.
Nous travaillons.
You work.
Formal way.
Vous travaillez.
They work. Group of males or mixed people.
Il travaille.
They work. Group of only females.
Elle travaille.
This French verb encapsulates the action of working or engaging in professional activities.
It signifies commitment and effort dedicated to a task or job.
It is a fundamental word that embodies the idea of contributing and accomplishing tasks.
Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. Just concentrate on the conjugation right now. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I work on the computer.
Je travaille à l'ordinateur. Je travaille à l'ordinateur.
You work in an office.
Tu travailles dans un bureau. Tu travailles dans un bureau.
He works late tonight.
Il travaille tard ce soir. Il travaille tard ce soir.
She works with clients.
Elle travaille avec des clients. Elle travaille avec des clients.
We work together.
On travaille ensemble. On travaille ensemble.
We work as a team.
Nous travaillons en équipe. Nous travaillons en équipe.
You work on an important project.
Vous travaillez sur un projet important. Vous travaillez sur un projet important.
They work in the automotive industry.
Ils travaillent dans l'industrie automobile. Ils travaillent dans l'industrie automobile.
They work in a hospital.
Elle travaille dans un hôpital. Elle travaille dans un hôpital.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I work.
Je travaille.
You work.
Informal way.
Tu travailles.
He works. Masculine.
Il travaille.
She works. Feminine.
Elle travaille.
We work or one works. Informal way.
On travaille.
We work.
Formal way.
Nous travaillons.
You work.
Formal way.
Vous travaillez.
They work. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils travaillent.
They work. Group of only females.
Elle travaille.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.